Yo, wait. Oh, there we go. Yo, what is up, everyone?
Wait,
today we're gonna be playing Revolt with Chris. And by the way, that name is actually by a YouTuber, so I wouldn't name yourself that.
No, I had it first.
You hit it first? I'm kidding.
Come on.
Alright, go ahead and download the game. It's free on App Lab. You would spawn into a server with me.
Bro,
Anyways,
come on.
I am right here. Grab this flashlight because you can't see it.
Yesterday, Joey got the flu and she couldn't come.
Come on.
Grab this flashlight right here. So you can see.
Where's the
And if you step in there.
Whoa.
Jelly, I love you. No.
How am I dying?
How am I dying?
Why is the door getting me?
Chris, where are you?
Targeting the
Where's
reason why
Chris?
he's targeting you.
Oh, follow me, alright? Follow me. Chris, no, she can hear your footsteps. She can hear your footsteps.
Guys, come on. Can someone come follow me? I know where the last one is. Yo, bro.
Guys, why can't you just shut up? We can hear you. Skibbity second.
Chris, she can hear your footsteps.
Bro, Bob.
Chris, she can hear your footsteps and she can hear you if you speak. Now follow me. Run. I don't know what to do. I'm kind of scared.
You just like need to find breakers. I have the light.
Jelly, I hate you. I was kidding. I should have brought my flashlight, bro.
Joe has the
Oh my gosh.
Joey is so flat. Joey's flat. Joey has no block.
Oh my gosh.
You'll never know.
Ella, you stay. It's okay.
I am!
Joey,
Bro, really? So you brought me over here just to see you fall off the stairs. And go in app chat. Cause I want you to.
Yo, can you guys hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. You can't even, they can't even hear you, Chris. You're in freaking call. Nah, I'm just lying.
Guys, this is like the first time it actually loaded me.
Come on, Blue. Let's go.
Hold up, let me put my sticks on because I'm like 4'11". Hold up.
Okay.
Damn battery thing up, bro. Where did you go?
Oh my god, bro.
Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man?
That's the shot.
Get your ass on, boy.
Who's this?
Hey, Chris, you want to see something? You stay right there. Stay right there. Oh wait, let me do it again. Are you ready?
Level 1. Wait, are there levels?
Actually, I have this. If you're a moderator, you get to have this barrier. If you're a moderator, you get to have this very early. And where'd you go? Oh, this is all about you guys. Yeah.
Like that.
Yeah.
I just
Yeah.
like the box mode to break the door.
Hey, you're very ugly.
Actually work. Yeah, we could just get off the door.
Hello.
Hey guys, look.
The door.
Hey, Blue.
Rip off the door.
Hey, Blue. Hi. Hey, Blue.
The door's so
Hi.
annoying.
I put
I'm
my
killing
sticks
every
on.
I
single
love
door.
Holy boiling.
Anyway, where do we go?
Holy. Guys, let's
Hey,
go.
do we go in there? Wait, and it like, if we talk, they can hear us and stuff.
I have him.
Wait, are we safe over here? No. Look at this.
There you go.
Turn up what they can.
Nope. No. Come here. Yeah.
Come on, Snowy. Guys, isn't it if we like talk, it can hear us, and it like blind us something? Like we just can't make noise, isn't it?
Yeah, we just can't make
Wait, is it
any
in yours,
type
Rob?
of noise. If you breathe,
This is the game.
Stay there.
oh, hello.
Oops, I missed the stair.
Well, the lights are on, so like I don't really.
Where did you go? What you always
Don't. That scared the crap out of me. You're ugly.
Yo, guess what, yellow?
Bro, I'm trying to
Guys, guess what? Ready? Epic backflip!
Epic rap battle.
God! I
Yeah, bro.
Epic rap battle. Jelly versus CGVR.
I'm upset enough. There we go. Guys, look! Backflip, wait, blue! Wait, gray! Epic backflip!
Shut your mouth. No, I'm not going in call. No, I'm not going in call. not going in the call. I'm not going in the call. I'm not going in the call. No!
Just died. Dude, my left controller just died.
I'm not going in the call. Oh my gosh, bro, what do you want? Dude, it's not even gonna play anyway. What? What? Bro, you gotta speak louder, bro. Capuchin? You mean capuchin? Oh my gosh, bro. It's capuchin. It's capuchin, bro. I don't like that game no more.
All the lights are on for me.
Jelly, stay.
All the lights are on.
Like you.
Seizure warning, seizure warning.
Okay, guys, follow me.
I have to die every time.
Oh, one time. She is faster than
This game sucks, man. Oh, this makes me dizzy. Oh my gosh. Alright. But I have freaking a small head. I have a small head. Okay, I don't care. Oh, I'm kidding. But today, this is the end of the video. See you guys. I'll play with you guys like tomorrow. I don't know. Alright, bye guys.